money. On tsunami.
Don't do me. Yeah, welcome to the vlog. I was gonna have a better entry than this, but my mom's been on. She been on one today since I've been around her. Can't do nothing. I'm telling you. I turned down the music. She's talking about she's singing. She wasn't saying a lick of words. A lick of words. No, I can't deal with it with her right now. She been talking mess the whole time. She told me that my camera got a wig on it.
I said a toupee.
What's the difference? It's still a wig. Just telling her, I said, wait till I turn this on. Let's see how you. Now she quiet as a mouse. I ain't saying nothing.
What you mean?
I don't need you to say anything. So y'all, we're finna go out to eat with my family. We're going to going out to eat to Street's Fine Chicken. It's in Dallas. My sister already done, I guess, either went there before or she wants to go there, but it's for my little cousin's birthday. We're not trying to do the traditional chetas. We're trying something different this time. So hopefully, from what the menu looks like it's real good. Like they might have some really delicious looking food. Everything's literally like chicken something. It's something with chicken. And I don't really care for chicken like that. So we're gonna see how this goes. You got any inputs?
I'm driving.
You think you're cute. That's what it is. She thinks she's cute. Cause watch, when I turn this off, she's gonna be right back at it talking mess. And it ain't gonna be about how she's driving. But y'all, her driving is scary too, but we're not gonna talk about that.
I get us there.
Pray for me.
So
We have a good 45 minutes to waste. But supposedly my sister said it doesn't normally take 45 minutes. So we'll see how this goes.
I mean, it's fine. It don't add up in anything.
That's my sister.
It had like Speedos on and boots and hat. Like, where's your clothes?
I don't know what they're talking about. Some about Speedos, boots, and hats. That's all I've gotten out of the whole conversation.
I should open up a place that I'm gonna.
I didn't know that was a bad thing.
And drinking my inventory. No, she don't need nothing to get involved with liquor.
No, because she would drink her inventory.
But that was back then. And Shay would come and join.
I would.
Until somebody hit on.
Would it be free drinks for me still?
I don't know.
I
don't work for the drinks.
I don't work for drinks. I get free. I'm not working for no drinks. I'm gonna be in there getting drinks and then to get free drinks. Free drinks. I'm helping your business out. They're gonna be like, hey, you're back?
How are you helping my business?
I'm gonna be like, yeah.
Be buying her drinks.
Yeah, I'm back. You gonna buy me another shot? How you know the owner? Oh, she's just a friend.
And then that's what's gonna get you caught up. And you're gonna get beat up right there. She's just a friend.
Yeah,
Don't let me walk up to you and go, hey, I see you here.
Yeah.
See, not awful. I'm telling you. When you cross the street, you gotta look both ways 3 times.
3 times?
And y'all didn't look.
Baby, I only want you.
Some people go and some people ride to the end. When I am blind, when I am mine, I swear they be my rescue, my lifeline. I don't know what I'd do if I'd survive. My brothers and my sisters.
You want to be in there? She is in there. All right. You want to be in it, Carmen?
You got a couple more years.
That would have included me.
I will mark you out with a smiley.
Put a sticker over my face.
It's a shot of
It's
water.
gonna be that drunken one. Yeah, my sister climbing up my mom. Do you want to be in it, Auntie? Yeah, I think my auntie want to be in it. There you go. Huh? Well, your hair look round.
That's how you look in that picture.
Y'all, I don't know if y'all can hear her.
Your mama is mean.
I'm being threatened by my auntie from across the table.
She told me that we said
She asked me to get my cousin like 3 times now. He done been on this camera. He don't want to be on this camera. She told me to get her on camera like twice. And then I was looking at her. She's like, don't look at me like that. How am I supposed to look at you? I just looked at you. I'll put you off the camera. She ain't acting right. Mine is not acting right now.
Mac and cheese.
what?
Oh, that's your mac and cheese?
Yeah, we're sharing. I got a bigger one. Cause it's gonna be that size.
Well, we need an extra plate because I was gonna give her this piece of chicken.
Okay, well, I mean, we got the same thing, right?
What's up to these figures? What's up to these
But y'all, I am fat. Ooh. The chicken's pretty good. It's heavily crusted. If you like it crusts, like a lot of crust on your chicken, then that's something that you'll like. I don't care for a bunch of crust like that on my chicken. I don't like more crust than chicken. Bye guys. Farewell.
Get the car.
Happy birthday.
You're embarrassing us.
You're embarrassing me. Bye, Auntie. So what do you think, Mom?
About what?
The food?
I think the waffles was good.
That's it?
Yep.
I just said that. The waffle was good.
Chicken was okay.
Chicken was heavily crusted. Now the only thing is that I guess you could say our family don't make like cheese sauce. We just mix it in as it cooks and it melts as it goes. But you know, if you like the cheese sauce and the mac and cheese, then you're gonna like that mac and cheese. But it's not something I want to eat again. It's just not like how we do it in our family. So I'll go there again, but this next time I'll get waffles. And then tell them I hold the chicken. I want 2 waffles, hold the chicken, and a mimosa.
That was nasty.
With the mimosa?
Yes.
You don't like it?
No.
It tastes like champagne?
Tastes like beer.